What's up? What's up? It's your girl Tonarence, classy with that city soul. We talk vibes, hustle, growth, relationships, and everything real. If you're here for that authentic energy, smash that subscribe button and come through with me.
She a mom, baller, lifestyle, vlogger, toner, on it, yeah, toner, on it, you got it, flaunt it, yeah, this is the life. She do what she want, yeah, she living it right. She do what she want, yeah, she living it, yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today is February 28th. It's about, it's almost 10 o'clock and I literally just finished at getting me a pedicure done. I wanted my nails done, but I'm like, I can't afford it. So I was tempted, but then I thought about, trying to keep up with it. So what's been going on since the last time I recorded? Actually nothing. Absolutely nothing. Story of my life. I am about to go to Trader Joe's and just pick up a few things. Nothing in particular, but it's this face oil that I like to get from there. I've been using that on my face lately to moisturize me and Josh's face in the mornings. And it kind of keeps my skin like nice and moisturized with this cold weather and stuff, and it's very light, so I will show y'all what I get. And I also was kind of trying to figure out what I was gonna cook tonight. I took out some chicken tenders, chicken loins, whatever, chicken breast pretty much. And I usually just make, when I make those chicken loins, I usually just make that with like I'll saute it in some butter and season it with butter, and then squeeze a piece of lemon over it. So in that case, I may just go ahead. I've been having a taste for a baked potato lately. I don't know why, but I've been kind of fiending for baked potatoes. So I think that's what I'm also going to pick up from Trader Joe's, like some potatoes and the sour cream and the chives or whatever. And then I'll probably also pick up some hash browns from there, because I really like their hash browns there. Their hash browns and White Castle's hash browns is pretty much the same. But I prefer Trader Joe's ones. They look like the McDonald's ones, but we got McDonald's at home, so I eat those a lot. So I'm gonna get some more of those, because I think I'm down to my last pack that I had got from Walmart. So I'm gonna get 2 packs of those. The face oil that I get, I think it's like $6.99. Get 2 of those. And then I also want to get lately, like when I make like my pasta dishes and stuff like that, I've been buying like a little small block of Parmesan cheese. And like when I make spaghetti, what I'll do is like I'll cut off a small piece of the Parmesan and I'll just put it in the sauce. Like I won't grind it or anything, and that gives it kind of like this different kind of taste. I can't explain it, but yeah, I'll just cut off a piece of the actual block and throw it into the sauce, and just while it's like cooking and stirring, it'll like, I guess, emulsify the flavor of the Parmesan cheese. And then I scoop it out, and when I'm finished. And yeah, so I got to get me another piece of that, because I just ran out the other day, and it lasts me a pretty good while, because I just take like a piece of it. But the other day I made chicken Alfredo, and I used the Carbone Alfredo sauce. That was good. That was very good. Very expensive, but very good. I just was like, I'm tired of, when I make my chicken Alfredo, I usually use I think Bertolli or Classico. But I was like, let me try something else. So I was like, oh, let me see. I didn't even know. I thought I saw Carbone, the red sauce, but I never saw Alfredo sauce. So I didn't do much to the chicken besides just, make my marinade for it, which is olive oil and fresh garlic cloves. I take the olive oil, the fresh garlic cloves, peeled, right? I buy the pack of peeled garlic, and then I put that in a blender with olive oil, salt and pepper, and that's like my chicken marinade that I make for like all my chicken breast dishes. And then I let it sit in the marinade, and then when it's time to cook, when I cook Alfredo, I like to cook the meat in olive oil and butter, and then I try not to overcook it too much. And I boil my noodles, and then what I do with the sauce, right, is stir fry the chicken, not all the way through, and then I put the Alfredo sauce in there. Oh, this is what I do also. I know y'all probably don't want to hear this shit, but whatever. So like when I'm making my chicken Alfredo, like I pan fry the chicken, I cut it up after it's finished cooking to the desired way I want it. I slice it up very like paper thin, almost like paper thin, right? Then I put the Alfredo sauce in it, season it up, add a little extra Parmesan cheese, grated. That's how I like fresh grated Parmesan cheese. Oh, I should have turned right. Yeah, so yeah, let me turn right here. Forgot this was a ready peninsula. So, ooh, it's a big bump. And then yeah, that's my Alfredo sauce recipe. And then I depending on the kind of noodles that I made, which last time I made fettuccine, what I did was I boiled it, made sure it was al dente. Well, no, I do more than al dente. And then I save a little bit of the pasta water, throw the noodles directly into the sauce, and then I throw a little bit of the pasta water in it and let it sit. And that was so good, so good. It was real good. Ja was tearing that up. He was tearing that up. So yeah, so that's pretty much it. I'm gonna stop at the store really quickly. It's probably gonna be packed. Grab my little essentials, and then yeah, we're gonna go home and work, because today's my late day. I start at 11:30, and this weekend I don't really have much planned. It's saying another snowstorm on Sunday, so we basically have everything that we need in the house. I kind of really needed to do a Costco's delivery via Instacart, and I might just do that. So yeah, I just need some like essential stuff. We need some detergent, and like what I do in my Costco's delivery is like I try to get all the bulky things delivered. So like I need detergent and some other kind of, I forgot, I got a whole list of stuff that I need to just re-up on. And yeah, so that's it, y'all. I've been talking for 7 minutes, so I'll see y'all in the next clip. Try harder.
Mommy, you want to wait?
Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead. Yeah, I'm on my way to see Wuthering Heights at Regal Theaters in Lynbrook. It's cute in here. It's my first time going, my little solo movie date. I know nobody else going to want to watch this with me, so I said it's Monday. I haven't had a Monday to myself in forever, so I said let me come to the movies by myself. I already been to the gym and to Walmart, and this is 11:30 matinee. Took my matinee out. It's still $16. So anyway, let me enjoy my movie, and I will check in with y'all later.
I said! Poor Tolly. I want him to die! If you are, then be quick about it. For I have things to do.
What a frightful racket.
Papa!
Oh, you look like a plate of corned beef. Have you been crying?
Hey guys, welcome back to another day of the vlog. Today is March 7th, and I am en route to Brooklyn. I'm gonna drop my son off, and then I am going to head to the Brooklyn Museum. It's first Saturdays at the Brooklyn Museum, so of course I will have you all in tow. So yeah, I think it starts at 5, but The last time I went, I realized like a lot of
Use the
people
left lane to keep left.
don't come that early. So I was like, okay, moving forward, I will start to come at like 7, and then go from there. Yeah, so that's the plan. And that's about it, y'all. Like, it's nothing else to go through, nothing else to discuss. I think the last time I picked up the camera was Monday, and I was at the movies. That's the last time I picked up the camera. So yeah. So anyway, y'all, let me pay attention to the road.
In about 2.5 miles, take a slight left, turn onto Rockaway Turnpike.
It's not a lot of traffic, but you know, I don't know. I am starting to hate filming on my iPhone. I'm really considering getting a DJI, but I don't want to pay that price. I don't. So anywho, let me get to where I'm going and I'll get back to y'all. To get on the elevator. What is that? Oh yeah, that is the candy. Y'all melting. Taking a breather. It's too damn hot in here.
Run that back, turbo.
I just got 10 million bucks for shit that I ain't even do yet. You spent your money, but I ain't say I was your boo yet. You got your feelings hurt, I ain't really mean to do that. I'm just a bad bitch, I'm sorry I put you through that.
Alright, y'all, so we are going to make us a Lychee Martini. So we have, I'm gonna try it this time with the Coco Lopez. We got our Lychees, and we have some dry flowers, right? So that's last. We'll put these here. Got our new mixer. Got us some, don't mind this. This is Tito's that I had left over. So it's in a water bottle because I was coming from someone else's house and I needed to put it in another container. Then we got some Saint Romaine. So I actually decided to use this because I seen someone online use the Coco Lopez, but this is not what I used for it originally. So I'm not even gonna like measure anything.
Run that back, turbo.
I just got 10 million bucks for shit that I ain't even do yet. You spent your money, but I ain't say I was your boo yet. You got your feelings hurt, I ain't really mean to do that. I'm just a bad bitch, I'm sorry I put you through that. I'm from New York, but we don't never say good morning. Ripping the block and he don't come on till the morning. I always prayed to have a building with a doorman. Now I'm so busy, I gotta turn on these endorsements. Now I'm flaunting everything that I wanted. Remember a time when I couldn't even afford it. Now I'm in stores, I get everything that fits me. Chanel mink slides and shades so they don't know it's me. Drip too hard, gotta zip too hard. They gon' fuck around and drown off this way. Pretty little toes, stunting on these hoes. Buy another bag soon as I get paid. Bad little vibe, keep up on my side. Case a dirty bitch, gotta catch this fade.
Y'all look a hot mess because I'm in the house and it's mommy's night. And cheers. Let's see how this tastes. Whoa. That's kind of good. So last time I used like a more creamier style, like you see how I used the Coco Lopez. Last time I used this other stuff, I can't remember the name offhand, but it's like a milky substance. So this time it's like more coconutty, but it's really good. That's good. This thing keeps falling in. I think I might have to double. And I'm surprised because see how this glass have like the little grooves in it? I didn't think that the stick will fall out, but this, yeah, y'all. So I would give my Lychee Martini. It's really strong. I think I made it a little too strong, but it's good, really good. So that's the end of my night. I will see y'all in the next clip.
Run that back, turbo.
I just got 10 million bucks for shit that I ain't even do yet. You spent your money, but I ain't say I was your boo yet. You got your feelings hurt, I ain't really mean to do that. I'm just a bad bitch, I'm sorry I put you through that. I'm from New York, but we don't never say good morning. Ripping the block and he don't come on till the morning. I always prayed to have a building with a doorman. Now I'm so busy, I gotta turn on these endorsements. Now I'm flaunting everything that I wanted. Remember a time when I couldn't even afford it. Now I'm in stores, I get everything that fits me. Chanel mink slides and shades so they don't know it's me. Drip too hard, gotta zip too hard. Ain't gon' fuck around and drown off this way. Pretty little toes, stunting on these hoes. Buy another bag soon as I get paid. That little vibe, keep up on my side. Case a dirty bitch, gotta catch this fade. Do it all the time, still I'm in my prime. Couple new